Hunter versus Apollo. Both promise to revolutionize your lead generation game. But which one actually delivers results without breaking the bank? Let's find out. Before we start, make sure to like and subscribe, and let's go. Hunter.io is a focused email discovery tool with 117 million verified professional emails designed for simple, accurate lead finding. Apollo.io, on the other hand, is a complete sales engagement platform, boosting over 210 million contacts and 35 million companies. It's basically your entire sales stack in one tool. Key features. Hunter keeps it simple. Domain search, email finder, email verification with confidence scores, basic cold email campaigns, and a handy Chrome extension. It's built for lean teams who want clean data fast. Apollo goes all in with advanced lead filtering using 65 plus criteria, multi-channel sequences covering email, phone, and LinkedIn. AI-powered lead scoring, custom dashboards, CRM enrichment, and deal management. It's like having a full sales team in software form. Let's move on to pricing. Hunter's pricing is straightforward. Free plan gives you 50 credits monthly. Starter at $49 per month includes 600 credits. Growth plan costs $149 per month with 2,000 credits. Scale plan runs $299 per month for 25,000 credits. Apollo uses a credit-based system that can get complex. The free plan offers 50 credits monthly. Basic starts at $59 per month with 5,000 yearly credits. Professional costs $99 per month with 30,000 yearly credits. Organization plan starts at $149 per month per user with a 3-user minimum, giving you 100,000 yearly credits. Pros and cons. Hunter's pros. Incredibly clean data with 6-month purging cycles. Simple interface that takes minutes to master and predictable monthly costs. Cons, smaller database than competitors, limited outreach automation, and basic reporting features. Apollo's pros, massive database with detailed filtering, comprehensive sales and engagement tools, robust analytics for team management. Cons, steep learning curve. Credit system can get expensive quickly and overwhelming for simple email finding needs. So in conclusion, Hunter is better for solo operators and smaller teams who want clean, verified emails with simple outreach capabilities. So choose Hunter if you value simplicity, accuracy, and predictable costs. Apollo is better for growth stage companies and sales teams who need comprehensive automation, advanced targeting, and full funnel engagement. Go with Apollo if you're scaling outbound operations and need enterprise level features. Are you ready to supercharge your lead generation? You can find useful links in the description down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.